Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can attach more than 2 hairs on Roblox on like your avatar. Make sure you have the BTR Roblox extension. Then you are going to go to avatar here. And then as you can see, I can attach another hair if I wanted to. It just looks really weird, especially if it's a different color, but obviously you're going to attach the same thing. But this is also helpful if you wanted to add another accessory to your outfit, but you can't because it's limited. Here I just added another one, but that is pretty much it. Really just download the extension and open up the avatar on Chrome. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.